The off-duty Alaska Airlines pilot who allegedly tried to shut down the engines on a passenger flight was released from jail after posting bail.
I'm so happy. My boys are going to be so happy to have their dad home.
As a condition of his release on both state and federal charges, Joseph Emerson will get help with his mental health and must stay away from any aircraft. On Thursday morning, the 44-year-old was arraigned on a single felony count of endangering an aircraft and 83 misdemeanor counts of reckless endangerment. Prosecutors claim the off-duty pilot, seated in a cockpit jump seat, tried to bring down a commercial flight from Everett to San Francisco on October 22nd. The plane, with 83 other passengers and crew on board, made an emergency landing in Portland. Emerson claims he never intended to hurt anyone, according to his lawyers. He'd been struggling with depression and took hallucinogenic mushrooms 2 days before the incident. The case brought new attention to pilot mental health.
I'm saddened and that this situation had to happen to my husband and to these people that it affected, but I know that this has created a movement.
In a highly unusual move, Emerson, his wife, and a defense medical expert testified before the grand jury.
In all my years as a defense attorney, I have never been invited to present or to suggest witnesses in the way that we were allowed to suggest witnesses in this case.
The grand jury ultimately decided against the initial attempted murder charges. Instead, it indicted Emerson on less serious charges. He's pleading not guilty. Emerson declined to speak with the media after his release from jail. He's due back in state court on January 19th.